Yo, what is going on today, guys? Royce here, and today we have an awesome vlog coming in. I think we're gonna get some three-wheeler content in, and I think Ricky's gonna be on the 125, so we should be good and pretty hard today. So drop a comment, let me know if you guys are excited, and let's get into it. Alrighty, we gotta get the three-wheeler started up, and I think we're meeting Ricky out at the coils, so we'll hit it up there. Alrighty, gotta pull this thing on out. Alrighty, I'll have to go meet Ricky. Let's get it. Hey, it's Ricky. Yeah. Bogging deep. What'd it do today, Ricky?
What's up?
Time to rip it.
Oh yeah.
Should we see if the three-wheeler moves?
Oh yeah.
Well, so much for getting three-wheeler content today. The thing died on us, and now whole pull cord assembly came undone, so looks like we're gonna have to rip something else, but we gotta tow this thing out somehow, so let's go grab something back at the house. Well, guys, the three-wheeler, to say the least, the pull cord assembly thing is a tad bit sketchy, and it kind of like falls out sometimes, so we're gonna have to go tow it out, but that's not a problem when we got the good old tow pig with us, so we'll give this thing a crank up. Time to get some Razor content in. Let's get it. Jesus, Ricky, it's a tsunami out here. Ricky loaded up here. You ready to hit it?
Oh yeah.
Alrighty.
Easy.
Man, about 10 miles out. I haven't even checked on Ricky. Oh, hey! He's alright. Alrighty, guys. Well, Razor towed her home, no problem. Three-wheeler's back. Gonna have to do some fixing up on her. Don't know what to do. This pull cord, it's a little funky to say the least. So we'll get her dialed in. We'll get her up and running. But at the moment, she's gonna have to call her quits. So we got the 110 out, and looking good, Ricky, towing her up. Oh yeah, locked her up. have found the problem. Lost a foot peg. It's sketchy. Well, this is just a bad line in general. I shouldn't have even taken this. Ricky said just hop down the creek, and next thing you know, I'm like 1.5 feet of snow. Dude, this thing is covering pretty much the entire bike, but should be able to make it out, I think.
Probably just pin it.
This is a beating. Grab third. Poor 110, just getting clapped. Here goes Ricky. Man, sick line, bro. Drop off the trees. Yeah, Ricky! Found limb! Ricky's got a forest going with him. Looking good, Ricky! Brought back a couple souvenirs. Feed these back to the wildlife.
For real.
Oh, gotta call the local shop. Maybe get that three-wheeler tuned up a little bit. Hey man, how's it going? So I got a 1982 Honda three-wheeler, and I was wondering if you could do a little tune-up on it. Alright guys, well, good news. Three-wheeler's going into the shop Wednesday, so we'll be able to get that thing all tuned up, ready to go. It's not really something I really want to deal with, so send it off to somebody, get it all tuned up, have them go through everything, and the thing should be running mint and tops after that. And so I think that's going to go ahead and wrap up today's video. Me and Ricky didn't have too much going. We were going to film the three-wheeler content, but then the thing broke down at the beginning of the day and we weren't able to get it done. So let me tell you guys, three-wheeler content will be coming soon, and we'll be able to get it ripping. So hope you guys enjoyed the RZR content, dirt bike content, and comment down below, please. Tell me ideas that you guys want to see, because your guys' feedback is the biggest #1 priority, and we want to make sure that you guys are enjoying the video. So hope you guys all enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. This has been Royce. Peace out.